Converting USDT to USD on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, you need to have a Crypto.com account and a verified profile. If you have not already done so, sign up for an account and complete the verification process. First, log into your Crypto.com account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Account Balance section. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold, including USDT. Next, click on the USDT balance to go to the USDT wallet page. On this page, you will see the current balance of your USDT wallet, as well as options to deposit, withdraw, and convert your USDT. To convert your USDT to USD, click on the Convert option. You will then be prompted to select the currency you want to convert to, which in this case is USD. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert, and the platform will display the equivalent amount in USD based on the current exchange rate. Before confirming the conversion, review the exchange rate and fees associated with the transaction. Crypto.com charges a small fee for converting USDT to USD, which will be deducted from the converted amount. Once you have reviewed the details, click Confirm to complete the conversion. The converted USD will be deposited into your Crypto.com USD wallet, which can be found on the Account Balance page. It is worth noting that Crypto.com offers a fiat wallet that allows you to hold and manage your USD balance. You can use this wallet to store your converted USD, and you can also use it to withdraw your funds to a bank account or use it to make purchases on the platform. In conclusion, converting USDT to USD on Crypto.com is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily convert your USDT to USD and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio with ease.